Hi friends, this is Excel Guru once again with a query by Rishabh in Telegram group. So here I'm going to share a solution and I will explain you how to do all those things. Before going to screen, please, I request everyone like, share, and subscribe. After subscribe, click on bell icon so that whenever I upload any query, any MIS interview questions, Excel interview questions, then you will get a notification. Right. So I'm expecting nearly 1,000 views plus 1,000 likes because it's very important query. Here is the screen which I'm going to share with you guys. See. Here is the screen. So here is that you have to split by rows and a columns with a single formula. Single formula means I mean to say that you can use multiple formulas in one cell. Okay, but not in another cell. You can use mid. Later you will use left, right. No. Not like that. You have to use only one formula. I mean to say the nested formula, but it should be a one formula. Right. So it has to split like this and like this. Okay. Rows as rows and columns. See how I'll do. First of all, I'll take a mid of this, mid substitute of what is the delimiter over there? There is a space, double space, right? So what I'll use space, hyphen, space. Okay. I'm adding prefix for this value. Comma, what will be the old text? As we know that old text is this one space this one. And instead of old space, what will be the new text you have to add? So I'm adding space 255 times. Why 255? Because in one cell it will allow 255 characters. For that reason, maximum number of you can use 100 also. Right. For that reason, I'm using maximum 250. We don't need instance, just close it. And starting number. From here, you will see all the magics. Okay, starting number is suppose 1 into 255, comma 255. Okay, example I'm showing you. Right. I press F9. So it is showing only 92. Okay. I will use trim function for this. Trim. Okay. So it will pick up first character. Exactly. But I want to extract as a column and a rows with only one formula. Instead of one, what I use F2, what you need, I have not logged this one. F4. It should not move anywhere. And another thing is that only that thing on right. Okay, right. Let's check it out. Row wise. This one is row wise. Okay. The first value. I mean to say the 92 BH29. Understood? Only this value, it is taking row wise. Okay. Now, this value, it should be a column wise like this. Okay. So what I'll do here, instead of rows, I will take columns. Dollar B, B2, colon B2. Into 255, into 255. Right. Now see. Okay, I logged only this one, so I have to remove this one F4. It should move row-wise, right? Now see, Control R, Control D. Got it? If you want, it's a very, very dynamic way. If you want, you can go through it and check it. See, here I'm adding another one. Okay, let's see. I'm adding another one. Like some XYZ. Okay, here you can see XYZ here again. Got it? This is the dynamic way. I will show you the formula here. That is formula text. Done. If you want many more things, you can ask me. And thank you. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support.